What's up guys, Aaron with Twins Garage, and today we're going to be putting the exhaust on the R3. I pulled the R3 out here in the middle to have a little bit more room to work on it, and also got a couple new heaters, well they're old. So anyways, let's get the bike moved. Okay, next up we need number 4, Allen. Whatever, I don't even know what this is called. Easiest to get a set of these that Okay, got this side off. So I think while I'm in here, I'm going to do an oil change and flush the coolant. Had to remove these 2 bolts so I can move this back enough to get the bolt off that's behind here, and then directly on the other side there's another one, and it should all be disconnected now except for the O2 sensor, which I'm going to follow that line, disconnect it from there. Okay guys, as you can see I got the exhaust off, so now I got to go downstairs and get the new one out of the box, get that all ready and get that installed. It's getting pretty late. I may do it tomorrow morning, we'll see. I just mainly wanted to get this off tonight. So it's completely off. There's a few things I gotta do. I never got to really tuck this wire properly, so we're gonna run that. I gotta change the oil filter, flush the coolant. Okay guys, got the new exhaust and we're about ready to get it put on the bike, so let's get started. Okay guys, it's on. I still got to do a few things before putting it back together, like drain the coolant and oil, but I'm gonna jump the battery and start it up and see how it sounds. So just took that out and it made it 1,000 times louder. Once I took the thing out of the exhaust tip, it made it 1,000 times louder. It's insane compared to stock, or even compared to the stock muffler being removed. So this thing is going to be screaming this summer. I'm excited, I can't wait. I got quite a bit I want to do to it before this summer. Possibly power commander, get rid of that O2 sensor, and quick shift. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.